Hey everyone, so I got this 28-inch body wave unit from IShowBeauty. I'm currently installing it and basically flattening the top with my hot comb. So let's go ahead and do the install and then get into the review of this wig. I got this unit from IShowBeauty. This is their 28-inch body wave unit, 13x4 lace. Let me go in. Yeah, the price of this unit is $259.45. You're also able to use Klarna on this wig as well. So if you want to go ahead and split it into 4 different payments and you're concerned about the price, which honestly, this is a very inexpensive unit for how much length you're getting. Literally, this is 28 inches. It goes super far down. So you're getting a lot of hair for this. Honestly, I didn't even go in and pluck it. All I did was bleach the knots like a few days ago, and I did the baby hairs. I could go in and pluck it. I just don't feel like it right at this second because I'm gonna film some TikToks with this today. So yeah, but this is a lot of hair. I would definitely say that this is kind of like a classic mermaid hair type of look. This is something that I used to kind of wear as a style all the time. I don't necessarily wear this style as much anymore. But yeah, this is also, I'm pretty sure, this is maybe 150% for the density to 180%. It's a lot of hair, but I feel like 150 is the perfect you know, density for any wig, like especially for summertime or for winter. I think it goes like, it's kind of that in between that you need for any unit that you're looking for. So that's what I would go for. I kind of trimmed the bang area a little bit so I can just have that semi-curtain bang look, and it just gives it a more natural touch. But I also put in a little bit of hair mousse, some water to kind of define the waves a little bit more. I personally like my body wave wigs to look more natural. I don't normally straighten these types of units, so, but this is how it's looking from the side and also from the back. So we've got a lot of hair going on here, which is pretty cool. Well, I guess I can kind of go in the front. You can still kind of see the lace, but it's not terrible. But I did go in and bleach the knot. So now I kind of over bleached it to where the hair kind of got bleach on it, which is not necessarily what I wanted. So when you're bleaching a unit like this, the knots are a little bit harder to get to, so you'll have to kind of bleach it a couple times and make sure that you make the consistency a lot thicker than you normally would. Mine was a bit too thin, so it kind of bled through the lace a little bit and got onto the hair. But that's an easy fix when it comes to bleaching the knots on any type of unit that you have. But the hair quality, I would say, is very, very soft. I can easily run my fingers through it. I did wash this hair once already, so this is its most natural hair texture that you're gonna get from it. Even out of the box, it still kind of looked like this, which is cool. I also sewed in an elastic band for this unit. So I kind of get that look where it kind of lays flat on the frontal. I go in with a darker shade of a foundation and I kind of like lightly press it in so the lace is less noticeable. This is a little bit darker than my skin tone, so, and I just kind of lightly go in here and brush that in. All right, so it looks a little bit less noticeable. I honestly could go in here and do some immense plucking. It's kind of thick at the top. So if you're looking to honestly make this wig super realistic looking, really customized, I would go in yourself and pluck it. It's one of those units where you kind of have to do everything yourself. But what they do give you is a lot of hair, and it's good quality hair, so you're good to go as far as customizing your own frontal, which can take a little bit of time, but honestly the process is so worth it, and plus you save money by doing it yourself. I would recommend that. But yeah, this hair is honestly extremely cute. I didn't have to do too much to it. I'm pretty sure this is a medium cap size. I usually wear a cap size small, so again, like they have adjustable bands in there, but you know, like the best ones to fit your head, if your head is a size small, is to literally just get your exact size. If you can. Some hair companies don't honestly sell a small cap size because I don't know if it's that popular. I think an average, obviously, and large are more popular sizes for units, but as for me, I'm like a 21.5, so yeah. But I would go ahead and check the website because they might have sales going on, and plus again you can split your payment into 4 different payments on the site. And yeah, this is the texture of the hair. We have like these light waves going on, classic body wave, and it gives you that natural beachy wave type of look without having to really do anything to it as far as styling. You literally just put in some product and then you're good to go. But I'm going to go ahead and put the link to IShowHair down below in the description for you guys, especially the direct link to this really, really pretty mermaid looking unit. I'm gonna go do some TikToks with this most likely. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go film with this hair most likely. And you know, do some intro shots. So that's pretty much all that I have to say about this unit. I hope that you guys like this hair review from IShowHair, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.